What you're looking at is the ceramic binder jetting 3D printing process. Using the repurposed machines and special ceramic powder invented by our partners, we are able to print shapes that would be otherwise unobtainable or extremely labor-consuming to produce. The model is printed layer by layer in ceramic powder, cured in the oven, cleaned thoroughly, and fired. This specific model is finished with paint for a rough, sandstone-like look. We're planning to introduce the glazed ceramic prints soon. If anyone got idea what we could make from 3D printed ceramics, please go ahead. We can try take challenge to make it.